Hello everyone! Welcome to Tahiti Dance Fitness. Hi parents! Hello kids if you're watching this. I am teacher Bea. I come from Tahiti, French Polynesia, and I've been teaching since 2009 for more than 11 years now. And I opened the first Polynesian dance school in Singapore and spread it worldwide. I am so excited to be teaching our kids about Polynesian dance. We're gonna have lots of fun. So let's get started. Thank you very much. So here is a glimpse of how your kids' classes will look like. They will learn step-by-step choreography on songs like Moana Disney. Classes are fun and tailored to toddlers from 3 to 5 years old and kids from 6 to 12 years old, so that they all want to learn and enjoy Polynesian dance, like all our students who we are so proud of. Our kids are our pride and joy. We teach dance to help our kids grow their focus, grace, and coordination, but most importantly, we want them to grow into great individuals by empowering them through dancing. We are excited to have you come join us and all our amazing parents and kids online all around the world. See you soon in class, and never forget how amazing you are.